Is this the ultimate shower caddy system? It just might be. Stay to the end of the video to find out and see my official scoring. This is a super strong, suction mounting shower caddy system. The brand is called Leverlock. They make a wide range of shower organizing stick-on baskets. Amazon has it at 4.5 stars with over 3,400 reviews. The product ranges in price depending on what you're getting, from just over $13 to just under $40. The shower basket like this will hold your shampoo, your conditioner, your face wash, your toothbrush, soap, and you can hang loofahs from this little fence right here. Easy installation, no drilling, no screws, no glue, nothing's really needed than what's already included. And it really just takes seconds to install. You just remove the protective cover, put in place, and then push on this little hand icon until you hear a noise. And then it's fully installed and ready to be used. This shower caddy can hold up to 22 pounds of shampoo and conditioner and other products. A great thing about this shower caddy system, these suction cups are so strong that you can actually use a pump dispenser shampoo or conditioner and not worry about this falling off. It's really amazing. This shower caddy itself and all the other products in the line are made of a very durable polymer. Its bottom is slotted to allow for water to drain away quickly. It works best on non-porous surfaces such as glass or smooth tile, plastic shower walls, metal polished framing. If it's a porous surface you're trying to attach this to, this isn't the right product. I'll show you in a bit how it's attached to our different shower surfaces at our home. The other products the company offers are a toothbrush basket, a single and two-tier dish soap basket, a large corner basket, and separate towel and loofah hooks, all using the same suction technology that they have. Before I go through my star scoring system, if you're finding value to this video, please do me a big favor. I want to go over my 5-star scoring system and how it works. There's 5 different categories, and in each category you have a possibility of getting a full star, a half star, or no stars. In the end, I tally it up and I give you my final result. Okay, let's go through my 5-star scoring system. Number 1, ease of use. I find this product very easy to use. It's easy to install, it's easy to remove, it's easy to hang things from, it's nice and big, so this makes it easy to put large shampoo and conditioner bottles in there. It's an easy product to use. Number 2, effectiveness. This product is very effective at doing what it was designed to do. Hold a large amount of product in the basket, safe and secure. Number 3, features. This product has a lot of features that are great. For what it is, it has dual suction cups that can hold 22 pounds of weight. It's made of a very rigid and what seems to be durable polymer. The slots on the bottom allow water to drain through. The little hook fence in the front is very convenient for hanging loofahs or anything else like that. Number 4, quality. The quality of the product seems to be great. The suction cups hold super firm. The material it's made of seems really nice and rigid. I feel it'll last a long time. It's really well made and molded and assembled. I feel it's a quality product that needs to go in your bathroom. 5, price and value. For the price, this is an amazing product. I trust it's going to hold everything I want it to firmly and secure on the wall in the shower. My family's been using this product for a few months and we're very happy with it so far. It's a good value for your money. I imagine you probably know how I scored this product, but let's check it out anyway. Would I recommend this product to family and friends or buy more of the products that they offer? For sure.
Nice.